So let's design a professional YouTube banner. So I have taken a YouTube banner size and have taken a color and the code I have mentioned there. You can tell it that code. And now let's do some creativity in it. I have to enter blob type smoky thing to add a tick coordinate, and let's add it at the left corner to top this smoky thing. Now when we hit them at dot, we will duplicate it, and now let's group it so that we don't move it individually, move it at a time. Now let's do some one bigger and let's see how it looks. Then no, it doesn't look good. It not look good, but let's check what should we do with it. Okay, now let's take it out a banner. Light side, this kind of block. But me, yours, banners look good. It shows your creativity. What you can do with it. Let's add it on the corner and it's somewhat bigger. Okay. I think it's good. Now it's somewhat small this side, but it's affecting the banners. Side, okay. Now it's looking good. Let's make its transparency to 65. If you want to less your opacity of the color, then you can use this transparency thing. Then now let's take this bow and add it at the left side bottom. And let's change the color. Let's match this color to that color. No, we won't do that. We'll choose another color to it. We're matching it. Okay, now let's add the color to it. No, it doesn't look good. So let's change the color earlier. But it's just somewhat dark color. Yeah, this is looking much better. But let's match this color to the left hand module. Now it's done. Now let's add an same type of blob, smoky type, and the high side bottom. Now let's match the colors of it. Yeah, it is done. Now just settle it at the middle and can take that pink alignment that show you it is in the middle. Now let's pick up somewhat sparkle type thing to make it somewhat decorative and attractive. I'm choosing this color. This one, we can given things the color of it. I'll have shut the down plenty now and change the color to show rose patternish type color. Now let's first fix it. And I'll change it to this boost to that light color. Here, this is now it's looking somewhat good. Now use control button this child. Okay, no, it doesn't look good. So we'll change to background color. As a background girl, when try to master it here, this logo is an eyeliner. This not this. This is our background girl, and it just looking much better. So let's now add one frame to it, one frame in the middle. All these, remember, you shouldn't me and your content. and the corners it should be in the middle, because if you don't add it in the middle and use the whole banner, then your banner may cut in the one frame or in the that frame. If you want it to be settling on the frames of on the devices, then you should make sure to make your content visible in the middle. Okay, and so now let's take this blob time frame and keep it in the center. As you have seen, I had kept it in the center, and now add a heading. And remember, you should play around 2 fonts only and 2 colors only, because it makes your banner or anything you're designing, it makes it professional. So now let's change the, I have changed the writing, but I think if it does not triple, change the handwriting. So let's add it. It is not linear. Let's change the highlighting to something other. Not just you put somewhat good. Okay, now settle it. Okay, done. That is done. So let's make it as you have seen. The top line has in there also that pink color. I have written at that pen. Now then take a subheading and add your title, what you are doing on this channel, so that it should be clear to the viewers that this channel is about this. So if you are doing logging and blogging, as I am doing of Canva designing and website designing, so have I read the Canva and of that designing on it. So let's see, at each shot it should be in the one line, not in 2 lines. I am just showing you and I'll settle it. Like this I did it. Now make it run so much more. Let your name be highlighted in the banner so that it is known by a brand. It is done. It's done. Now let's add someone CT button call to action. Subscribe type thing at the last. Let's take out a tangle shape box. You should touch it in an element. Now let's have this rectangle box here. At the middle, CTA type. Let's set up first here and still small. I'll do it somewhat bigger, but I'm too visible to the viewers. Okay, now let's do the floor somewhat big so that over the made shape is visible. And let's add this text in it. Subscribe, or you can add anything what you want. Instead of subscribe, I'm using subscribe button. So let's place it in the middle. Now just this button isn't looking much attractive, so let's make it somewhat attractive. First let's do this thing. Okay, now let's change the colors. No, this. Let's change it. First, let's do the text thing properly. Then we'll go to the buttons color also. Okay, this. Okay, now let's set the colors. Well, this is into spinking coat. White. What there was, yeah. Let's add some image to it. So, as per no profession, I'm adding this laptop. Aesthetic, one image. So here, let's check. Here, this is here. And here, see, our banner is ready to publish. So have seen how they have created the banner from this scratch, and now it is looking like, yeah, this is the thing we really need. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.